The last couple of default applications included with Edelweiss is specific to RHD devices. So for example, CompreDrive and CompreFrame. And the first one is to sync RHD and ECLab data. This we have already looked at in the video about synchronization, but I will quickly show it here as well. So it says that it will synchronize two datasets from ECLab and RHD. So this means CompreDrive or CompreFrame data. And we should select the two tables to sync and then optionally one data series to interpolate. I have here two tables, one which is some ECLab data with cycling and one which is the CompreFrame data during that cycling. So I will just select both tables and sync RHD ECLab data. And then it will bring up this synchronize dialog. And as it said, we can also choose some data series to interpolate, but otherwise we can just choose OK. And then in both tables, we will get this new synchronized time data series. So if we use this time, this will be synchronized between the two tables. And if you want to know more about how the synchronization works, please go back to the video about data synchronization. And the very last application is to process CompreDrive pressure steps. And it says it will summarize CompreDrive data by pressure steps. And we should select the location and choose the data file. So let's see what this actually does. We should select the location. So either a folder or a file in that folder will place the new data files that are loaded in that folder. So that's fine. And then I choose this, and I will choose a data file which has some CompreDrive data in it. This has now loaded this data, and it has also created one more table which has summarized that data. So let's have a look at exactly what it's done. So I will plot the position and pressure versus time. So we can see here that we had a pressure ramp that went up and down, and we can also see the motor position going up and down. And this summarization has taken the last value of each step. So if we again plot the position and pressure versus time, I'll make it a scatter plot, large size. And now we can see indeed these summarized are the dots then, and this is the last value for each step. So this can be a convenient way to get the plateau values from a CompreDrive measurement.